Okay, fourth graders, we're here again in my house, and we are going to talk about organic and geometric shapes, because that's what artists work with all the time. Organic shapes could be anything from, a shell. It's something that doesn't have sides, and it's got this sort of amorphous shape to it. So a shell, and I don't know what this is. It's some kind of pod. And that's like an unusual shape too. I just found these objects in my house. And here's a gourd. So these are examples of organic shapes. I want you to take a look in your house and see if you can find organic shapes in your house. I also want you to look at geometric shapes in your house. Find things that are possibly rectangle or circular. I mean, they're all around. Here's a pillow that's circular. Here's a pillow that's rectangular. A book, you can use a book. This is a paint set that's rectangular. All kinds of geometric shapes. Pointy ones that look like mesas that are blunted at the top. They're like triangles, but they're blunted at the top. So I'm going to just draw right now from my head on white paper at least 6 geometric shapes. I'll start with an oval. And I'll do another one, maybe a wide triangle. This is like an equilateral triangle, equal on all sides. This is one that's not so equal. It's very tall. I'm just doing it freehand. I'm going to do a mesa or a parallelogram. Trapezoid. And maybe here's a parallelogram. That's a good one. I'm not doing it so well. And maybe a skinny rectangle. How many do I have? 3. This is my 6th one. You could do more. You could do more than 6 if you want. There's a rectangle, and I'll just do a square. This is a terrible parallelogram. Okay, so then on another piece of white paper, draw some organic shapes and be very free-flowing with this. It could be like one that looks like has fingers or an E. You could do a flower form. You could do just like a sort of a boomerang form. It's almost like seaweed. You could do like maybe one that has like combs but not too pointy, just very undulating and flowy. That's 5. And you don't have to. They could be different sizes, and then we're going to cut them out. I'll do another one here. Just a little. Okay. Now we're going to cut them out. I think this is part 1. This will be part 1. So you've got your geometric shapes and your organic shapes, and in video 2, I'm going to cut them out.